Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in your bonus love reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to my channel. And I'm very sorry I was unable to make your reading. I was unable to do your reading from last 1 week because I was unwell. Okay, but now I am well and I am back. A very happy birthday to all my Aquarians all over the world. So yeah, so you can have a look on your main reading, your extended love reading, and your general reading. I have already uploaded 3 videos for you for February 2021. Okay, you can have a look on that too, and that because there are very beautiful messages which you are having. Okay, so let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for February 2021. Give me the messages which I need to deliver all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Aquarius, the first 3 cards for you is possibilities, conditionally, and suppression. Why are you comparing yourself? Some of you Aquarius are conditioning yourself. You're putting your, you are not know your worth. Basically, you are putting finger on yourself, and that's why you're feeling suppressed. Suppression is there because you are putting a question mark on your self-worth, that whether I deserve this or not, and I don't know my worth, I don't deserve this. That's not a true, Aquarius. That's not true. Whatever you are experiencing right now, that is because you are dealing with someone with whom you are having past lives. Here the past life is here. Okay, whatever you are going through is because you are having a past lives together with this person. That's why you are experiencing these things, and after these experiences you are becoming more aware. Awareness is coming for you. Don't condition yourself, Aquarius. Okay, you do best, you deserve best, you deserve best. See, you, after this experience, whatever experience is going on, okay, you're getting more aware than before. You're becoming like a flowering, you will bloom like a flower. Okay, you're becoming a beautiful blossoming flower. You're turning into flower. You're becoming more aware than before. You're just completing a cycle. There is a completion is here. Adventure is waiting for you, Aquarius. There is a lot of adventure which is coming for you. Okay, so whatever things are happening right now, that is because you are spending. See, you are the rebel with the cause. The rebel. As I know, as you all know, bottom of the deck I'm having rebirth again. Death and rebirth. Whatever is happening because you are going through a process of transformation. Old things are going to end in your life. There is a completion of old cycles. You are the rebel with the cause. Okay, I know that. Being an Aquarius, I'm sunshine, my moonshine is Aquarius. Okay, I'm more of an Aquarian, so I know that we are the rebel with the cause. We do not fight without a cause. So you are rebel with the cause, I know that. But do not worry at all. Whatever is going through, whatever situation is happening, that is happening because you are going to take a rebirth. here. You will find yourself a new person after this transformation. Do not get involved in the suppression. See, new vision is coming for you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having guidance. You are having angel guidance, you are having divine guidance with you. There is a new vision which is waiting for you. You just need to let go of all those things, let go of all those relationships, or let go anything on which you are holding on, anything which don't serve your highest good. So you need to let go them as soon as possible, Aquarius, because there is a guidance which is there for you. Divine is guiding for you. There are angels, there are divine which are there to guide you. There is a new vision which is coming for you here. You are having a new vision because of this rebellious nature, and Aquarius are the most rebellious sign in all zodiacs. We are here to make a change, a positive change on the planet earth, to spread peace, love and harmony. See, tower I got in your main reading too. Two times I got tower, and this is the third time I'm getting tower here. Some unexpected changes are coming for you, Aquarius. This is the divine intervention which is happening in your life. Some unexpected changes are coming for you. This is divine intervention. When divine intervenes in your situation, some sudden changes are coming for you. You just need to be receptivity is there. Just need to be open to receive. Okay, just open to receive the blessings of divine. Okay, the tower is not bad at all. Divine intervenes in your situation so that you can make the necessary changes which are required for your life, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having celebrations. So some kind of celebration is coming for you. Whatever is happening in your life, Aquarius, just be open to receive. Okay, just open yourself to receive, so that you can receive whatever the divine is trying to give you, because lot of beautiful things are coming for you. Any other message? Okay, you do not have to fight with your mind thoughts. Okay, don't indulge in your mind thoughts. Okay, do not overthink at all, because you are conditioned, you're putting conditions on yourself that whether I deserve it or not. Because of these things, you're getting suppression card here. Okay, your mind is very much active right now, Aquarius. Don't indulge in your mind thoughts, because universe knows that you existence. You're thinking that whether universe know I am here on this planet earth or not, but universe know that you existence is here. Whatever stress you are going through, Aquarius, you will get a breakthrough for that. Whatever stress you are going through, you will get a breakthrough for that. Again, the rebirth card has come here again. Can you see? Beautiful cards are coming for you. Breakthrough, you're getting your breakthrough, you're getting your rebirth here. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, see this again, Aquarius. Beautiful things are coming on for you. New vision is coming for you. There is a new vision you have to see. Okay, there is a rebirth, there is a breakthrough which you are getting. Thank you so much, Osho Tarot deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Thank you. Let's see what are the messages from Mystical Wisdom Oracle deck. I love the artwork of this deck. These are very beautiful cards. Very beautiful. What are the messages for Aquarius for February 2021? Dreams and money. Believe in your dreams, Aquarius. As you know, some of you Aquarius, you are getting some downloads while you sleep, or there is a message in your dreams. So believe in your dreams. And other message from this card is, whatever you are having dreams, have belief in your dreams. Okay, these dreams are going to get fulfilled, Aquarius. Okay, there is money, find a way to abundance. Okay, maybe you are requiring money for fulfilling your dreams, and you will find a way to get your dreams success. You just need to believe on your dreams. Okay, believe in your dreams. Moving forward, get ready for positive change. See, I told you that you have to get ready for positive change. Okay, you have to get ready for positive change. Move in a forward direction. Moving forward is here. Then there is dove. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You have to move in a forward direction. You just need to take a leap of faith. Faith, have belief in your dreams. There is dragon. Discover your courage. Discover your courage. You are very courageous. Know yourself, Aquarius. Know your worth. You are full of beautiful, powerful energy, Aquarius. If you do not know that, I'm going to tell you that. Thank you so much, Mystical Wisdom Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Some of you Aquarius, you're getting your proposal of marriage. Your wish fulfillment is coming true. Again, the birth card is here. Okay, new beginnings are coming for you. Universal energy brings you opportunities and possibilities. Beautiful. Phoenix, be prepared to be renewed after a period of crisis, Aquarius. Whatever bad things has happened in your life, I even do not have to use that word. Okay, whatever has happened in your life, okay, whatever crisis has happened in your life, just you have to be prepared after that, because this is the time of renewal. Okay, you get renewal of the things which has been happened in your life. There is flowers. Be generous. Success and emotional fulfillment are yours. Okay, as I told you, becoming more like a flower movement, flowering is there. So just be generous. There is wish fulfillment. Your heart desire is ready to come true. Your wish fulfillment is going to come true, Aquarius. Okay, there is a lover's proposal and there is a marriage. Here, some of you Aquarius, you getting your lover marriage proposal. Okay, there is a lover here. This is your divine counterpart which is going to propose you for your marriage. So getting your proposal, you getting your marriage. Congratulations. You can let me know in the comment section if you get that. Okay. So a romantic or a business opportunity is indicated. If you did not receive any kind of romantic proposal, then a business, for some of you Aquarius, there is a business opportunity which is indicated, but some kind of proposal is coming towards you. There are lovers here. There are two paths which are indicated. Be true to yourself. Then there is marriage. You are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. So many of you Aquarius, this is the marriage proposal which you are getting, and rest of you Aquarius, you getting business proposals for you. Thank you so much, fortune reading cards, for giving the beautiful messages. These were very positive, very beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. Please give me the messages for Aquarius February 2021, which I need to deliver to them. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Wow. Wow, Aquarius. Wow. Very powerful, very positive reading is there today. Door to spirit, a man holding a heart. Bottom of the deck, I'm having cornucopia. This is the best card in this deck. This is the luckiest card in all. in this deck, in this whole deck. Okay, this is abundance of everything, good fortune, good luck, everything is coming for you. The door of spirit is open up, and there is a man which wants to give their heart to you, a man holding a heart. Okay, a man holding a heart is here. Beautiful, beautiful. Right now, you just need to rest and rejuvenate yourself, Aquarius. There is a journey, a new journey is going to start with this man holding a heart. Beautiful reading. Okay, a new chapter of your life is going to start, Aquarius. A new chapter, a new journey is going to start. A man holding a heart, a new journey is indicated. Okay, a journey. Then there is sixth chakra, Archangel Metron. Your third eye is getting activated now. Okay, now you're getting more intuitive than before. You're getting your clarity, getting more intuitive. So these are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving these beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Scared Traveler Oracle deck. Okay, what are the messages for my Aquarius for February 2021? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Discovering truth. You stand in the light of truth, Aquarius. Okay, you are the light. If you do not know, Aquarius are the lights. Okay, and you stand in the light of truth, and when you stand in the light of truth, you can overcome any obstacles. You can overcome anything. Overcoming obstacles. See, I told you that you're getting breakthrough. Okay, 1717 was the recording reading time. Overcoming obstacles. So you are overcoming obstacles. You can overcome anything. You can overcome anything. There is vast vistas. Expand your horizons, Aquarius, and view from above. Get a bigger picture. You just need to see a bigger picture. Expand your horizons. View from above. See the bigger picture. There is joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. Open to receive. I told you that you need to open up your heart chakra, open to receive, so that you can receive whatever the divine is trying to give you. So open your heart to joy and happiness. Open your heart to joy. Okay, joy and delight. Beautiful messages. Love it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Oracles of Fairy. Let's add one or two cards. What are the messages for Aquarius for February? There is tree wisdom, there is flourish. This tree line will help you navigate through your current situation. Her flute can reveal insights and answers through the sound it makes. Then there is flourish. The lotus flower fairy tells you to learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life or those for others. Spend some time in nature. The tree wisdom will help you out to give the messages, give the answers which you are looking for. Okay, then there is flourish here. There is manifestation, as magician card was there too in your main reading too. So you are very doing some kind of manifestation, Aquarius. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on your paper. Manifestation step 1. Okay, So if you are manifesting, the first step is to, you can write it very clearly on a piece of paper, so that universe can get able to get, the divine can able to receive the message, receive the manifestation what you want to manifest clearly. Okay, write it down on a paper very clearly. Then there is temptation. Are you in denial about any unhealthy habit, perhaps one that makes you feel guilty? This fairy says you have a power to overcome temptation wherever it guides. So maybe you have to work on your temptation or any kind of addiction if you are having in your life. You know better, Aquarius. So just you have to work on that temptation or any kind of addiction on which you think that I cannot overcome that. You can overcome any temptation, anything, any addiction if you are having in your life. Then there is look in a book. Whatever your questions right now, you will find the answers in a book. The words you will find will bring the insight you seek. Okay, so you will find your answers while looking in a book. See, I'm looking, the tarot cards is also a kind of book also. So I'm giving you insights from book, but you will find your answers when, while you read a book, while you seek a book. Okay, so look in a book, your answers are there in the book. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one or two cards from the Crystal Spirits Oracle deck. What are the Crystal Spirits wants to say you? Okay, what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021? There are two. Aqua Aura Quartz. That's your Aqua Aura Quartz. Then there is Spessartine Garnet. I do not know whether I pronounce it right or not, but this is the deck. This is the card. I am going to read it out for you. Do not worry at all, because I do not have much knowledge about crystals. Okay, do not know the exact meaning of the crystals. I have to read it out from the book. So yes, the meaning of this is charm and charisma, shining and sparkling, being a brilliant beacon of confidence that inspire others. You are a unique being with light only you can emit. Do you think what you have to work harder to make people like you? What if your soulmate is out there waiting for you to stop trying so hard and just be glorious, amazing, brilliant self? What if your soulmate is waiting for you beacon to stand out your message? I am here and ready for a partner to shine with me. Today is a good day to recognize all that is attractive in you and stop trying to hide it out of some sort of fear that others might not be comfortable seeing in you in your full glory. Shine bright today, Aquarius. I told you that you are the light, Aquarius. Shine bright. Okay, do not think that what others say, because you are conditioning was there. You are questioning your self-worth. You are thinking that whether I deserve this or not. Yes, you deserve this. Then there is Aqua Aura Quartz. Connecting to infinite potential, a renewed sense of purpose, wonder, and awe. There are 8 billion people on this planet, yet soulmates somehow find each other. Friends and lovers show up in the most unexpected places, and love make itself known as, just as you are beginning to doubt that it is out for there you. Aqua Aura Quartz spirit message to you today is become childlike with wonder. Believe in magic, believe in the power of love to find its way to you no matter how dark the hour, for the love is everywhere and you have not been forgotten. Open to the love that united, that the universal consciousness wants you to feel in every cell of your body and every particle of your being, for you and are the stuff of stars. Beautiful. Beautiful message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some healing mantra, and this is very beautiful deck. I'm going to give you some healing mantra so that will be help you out in your healing. Okay, see, it just fell out. Ask for angelic support. Maybe you are asking for angelic support, or you need to ask for angelic support. My angel respond when I'm open to and authentic about how I feel. Okay, that can be a specific message for someone because it just flew out. What are the healing mantra for Aquarius? Embodying my soul, I have a right to be excited. I do not know whether it's been clear or not. Yeah, it's clear. Okay. I have a right to be excited. Beautiful. Yes, you have a right to be excited. You are a beautiful soul. You just have to shine, Aquarius. Shine as much as you can. What are the messages? Any other healing mantra? Any other healing mantra for my lovely Aquarius? Okay. Healing heartbreak. My heart will love again. Very important mantra for you, Aquarius, and that applies on myself also. Yeah. My heart will love again. This is the healing mantra for you, that healing heartbreak. Many of you Aquarius are having heartbreak, okay? So you just need to heal your heartbreak. Your heart will love again. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from Native Spirit. Beautiful deck. Let's add one or two message from this deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? That was very fast. Ancestors and Grandmother Earth. First card for you is Ancestors. Wisdom is blossoming. Even if there are unsettling situations in your life, there is a reason for it, and much good will occur as a result. Your ancestors are sending you incredible support to fulfill your dreams. Be aware of coincidences, signs, synchronicities around you. Watch for messages from your forebears. No matter what occurring on your surface of your life, your prayers are being answered in mysterious way beyond your awareness. So your ancestors are there, Aquarius, for you, and they are giving you blessings, they are giving you answers. Watch out your signs and synchronicities, because there are many ways on which angels, ancestors talk to you. Beautiful message for you. You are having a blessings of your ancestors. Then there is Grandmother Earth. Grandmother Earth. Stop and take measures of your life. Access who you are and where you are. Get grounded. Make plans for the future. But don't act on those plans until you are ready and feel secure in stepping forward. There is a profound source of strength and power within you, and it is expanding now. Put your roots down. This is a time of preparation and going deeper. Beautiful. This is a card of bringing security in all forms of your life, Aquarius. Just walk barefoot on the earth, place your hands in the earth and make investments, okay? Ground your strengthening and ground your energy on the earth, filling you and your life. Beautiful card. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add last from your angels answers, then I'm closing out this reading for you. Let's see what are the messages from your angels. What are the messages for Aquarius, February 2021? What are the messages? Romance. there is a romance and there is perfect timing. Okay, so there is a perfect timing which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, the romance is coming for you. They are helpful people around you which are trying to help you. Some of you Aquarius are requiring any kind of help, so they are helpful people around you. Then there is remain positive. Remain positive, and there is a no. Maybe you are asking for some answer. This is a specific message for someone who requires yes or no, and this is a complete no for them. I need to see why there is a no. Please clarify me why there is no. Look for a sign the situation will be improved, assertive, and there is yes. Okay, whatever you have said no right now to someone, okay, the situation will be improved. The situation will be improved. You just have to look for a sign. Okay, look for a sign and be assertive, because there will be a yes. A yes will be there. The situation will be improved, Aquarius. Whatever you're going through right now, the situation will be improved. Just need to look for a sign here. Maybe there is something on which you are thinking that there is a complete no, but no, there is not complete no, there is complete yes here. Okay, be assertive. You just need to be assertive here. Just need to look for a sign. The situation will be improved in the future. The situation will be improved. That's why there is remain positive is here. The remain positive. So these are the messages from angels answers. Thank you so much, angels, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your bonus love reading for February 2021. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Okay, sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.